no idea. Oh god. Hey guys. The crap's going downstairs. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Obviously this guy, I'm sort of worried about this game. The music is Rick Astley's Never Give Up song. This game does contain some bad language, so I will try to cover that up in the editing. Let's do this. Okay, how do you just... Alright. What was up, bruh? Welcome to the new and improved Freddy's. Well, actually, it's not new or improved. I just realized that it's not actually him talking, he's literally just stuttering, like, See, that's what he's always saying, just right here. What year is it? It's June 1987. If you don't know much of the current year, then you might not be much of a use at hiding making pizza. You're in the prize area right now. It's the closet room in the pizzeria to the entrance. Here you can swap tokens for prizes. We pay our workers exclusively in tokens. That's unacceptable! Oh, it really is. Would you like a small tour so you can see what there is to do here? Sure. Very well. Follow me. What the heck are you? Welcome to the dining area. Here you can serve pizza made in the kitchen, perform in a suit, and give cake to kids while wearing a mascot costume. Wonder what this reminds me of. Maybe Five Nights at Freddy's? Five Nights at Freddy's? Just maybe. This is the show stage. Here you can perform with the robots in your suits and help maintain the robots. We hope you're good performers. Bad ones aren't usually seen again, if you catch my drift. Is that one missing a face? Yeah, it should be around here somewhere. If you find it, put it back on it. Wait, what? Wait. I'm looking for your face. It might be somewhere in here. What the crap? Alright. I'm done. I'm done. By the way, this is location number 47. I think it's somewhere in Colorado. Crap. But we have locations all throughout Western America. I think it's somewhere in 47, I think. Why wouldn't we know it's in Colorado? Okay. Please don't bring up what happened in Arizona to the customers. Please. He just skips it. This is the arcade. Customers can play Bread Bear, which is an arcade game designed by the company. If you win, you get tokens. Oh boy. One of the game's happiest day, I think it's called, is broken. If you feel like you can repair it, go pick up a wrench from the prize corner and fix it up. The new and improved Pirate's Cove. We made it super kid friendly by adding a healthy salad bar. That's stupid. Kids hate salad. Yeah, I know. They ruined Freddy's. Savage. And this is the restroom corridor. It's where we have our restrooms, obviously, you idiot. We also have a room here called our safe room. It's a secret room at the end of our corridors that customers aren't allowed to enter or see inside. You can save your game in there. It's wise to save it often. Freddy isn't always as safe as he needs to be. Why isn't it called the safe room? Because it's where employees go to be safe. Go there anytime you find yourself injured. You'll know what I mean when it happens to you. That room is where you suit up. Yeah, you gotta wear your mascot suit. Yeah, I left a tape. Listen to it. Which character is in the suit? Is the suit? I would guess it was like what's his name? Like, Springtrap? No. We have to get rid of the Foxy one. Too many incidents. Yeah, like a bunch of murderers, maybe. Bunch of murders. See, we have two currently available. We use to have a bear suit and a rat suit, but those two were thrown into a bin for smelling like slaughtered toddlers. I wonder why. Anyways, we have two replacement suits. Don't question them. They were gotten on short notice, so they might not be 100% approved. Okay. I hope I don't have to blur up an entire suit. That would be annoying. This is our kitchen. You can make our cheap frozen pizzas here. The pizzas you can make can then be delivered to the dining area. Make actual pizza, and I'll pay you a few extra tokens. I love how it's just him stuttering the entire time. This is the office hallway. There's two rooms here. To the right is the security office. I'll show you inside there in a minute. There's also a locked room to the left of the security office. Go in there and you're fired. We have something locked in there. Izzy glances around Fredbear. Yeah, it is. We can't let the public know he's still here. Bad publicity and whatnot. Not after the incident in Roundup. There's a lot of incidents going on. First, the one where Foxy went into the Grand Canyon. And then, the Freddy incidents. I have a feeling we're gonna know where all these were. This is the office. Before I hire you, I gotta ask you a few questions. What's your name? Let's just... Nah, I'm not gonna troll him. Crap, how do I get rid of... Do I just do backspace? Oh, crap. Well, this is my name. This is my name. Do you like my name? Can you try to pronounce it? Thanks for that. You're welcome. I bet it helped so much. That was like, there's nothing else you might have known. Any past crime-related activity? Indirectly, I caused World War I. Oh, nothing serious then. I caused World War I and World War II. Yeah, nothing too big. You gotta sign this piece of paper. Nothing too imitating. We all sign the paper. I want to know what's on it first. That's company policy, employee. This is safe to do. No, don't sign it. The company's trying to trick you. You won't be able to leave. I haven't seen my house or family in years. Run away, save yourself. Accidentally slipped while running. You poor fool. Now the business stuff is over, time to go over what you gotta do today. Your job is to wear one of our magnificent spring lock suits and to entertain kids. Giving cake out and serving pizza gives you bonus tokens. So I get to be one of the characters? Yep. Isn't that neat? No strings attached. Just deadly spring locks. Just deadly spring locks. No, nothing too big. Also, you can only take the suit off in the safe room. You wouldn't want to ruin the magic for the kittens. Never take the suit off outside of that room, especially under heavy blood loss. Okay, blood loss. Anyways, you know the room is at the end of the bathroom hallway, so no further instructions is needed. Might want to listen to the tapes, though. Don't forget you can save your game in the safe room. See ya. And remember the company motto. Sweep it under the rug, it's probably fine. Best company motto ever. Poof, he's gone. Yeah, I'll save. Let's do save I won. Alright. What do I do? Okay. $45 tokens were found. Okay, whoops. I'll leave the hallway. Let's go over here. I have no idea where any of this stuff is.
Hey, it's me. I'm Matt. I work at the prize corner. Everyone loves me. Give me fast tokens, and I'll give you prizes.
Hopefully you guys can hear him. If not, then you guys are just gonna have to pause the video and read it yourself. Nice to meet you, Matt.
Pizza, when she's soda.
Bye. Jeez, these stuff are really expensive. Search around the place. I found Bonnie's face already. Say, this isn't even the pizza though. So now we need to find Bonnie. Search around the place, because that's always where I find everything. Alright guys,